Alright, so once you have your straight line cut, you just keep making passes over and over, getting through the mat. It helps to fold it back. But just keep them cutting, take your time, need a sharp razor blade. Next thing you know, you'll be there. But like I say, fold it back, keep making passes. Light pressure. You got it. As you can see, it takes several cuts to get through this. It's a tough mat. That's the reason I chose it. Very heavy duty, definitely will stripe. And you got plenty of mat to give away to some other fescue freaks. Help your neighbors out. Alright, so find you a board, 2x4. Something to drill into, just to make it all the way through the mat. I used a 5/16. Alright, so you got the mat cut out to the length and the width that you want, holes drilled through it. It's time to mount it on the deck itself. The deck has been drilled using a 5/16 bolt with a nylon lock washer. Got a piece of steel across the back to sandwich it. Son of a... Damn it! Yeah, that there's tricky. And you can see none of the bolts interfere with the blades. So no issues with blades and bolts. All right, last one, best one. Last one, best one. There we go. Oh, great. We're ready for stripes. Bring the fire. $29.95 tax and all, straight from Tractor Supply. It's a 3x4, half-inch thick stall mat. Can't beat it. All right, so the way I have this set up is at my desired mowing height. This mat is 1 inch off of the ground, just combing the grass over. There she is, boys. That's how you make them stripes.